All right, this is section 6.5, properties and applications of matrices. So remember, the dimension of a matrix is m by n. It's m rows by n columns. Okay, and then today we learned the notation for the elements of a matrix. A sub ij is the element in the ith row, jth column. So let's take a look at some examples. Give the value of the required element. So we have matrices A and B, and we're asked for first the element A sub 2, 3. That means the element in the second row, third column of matrix A. So second row, third column, that's negative 3. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do this one, B1, 2. Let's make it B2, 1. So in matrix B, second row, first column. Second row, first column, that'll be 15. Okay, and I'll give you a chance to fill in the other ones in class. All right, let's look at the next part, and that is adding and subtracting matrices. And so when you add or subtract, the matrices you're subtracting or adding must be the same dimension. Yeah, same number of rows, same number of columns. To add or subtract, we add or subtract corresponding elements. That is A sub ij plus or minus whatever we're doing B sub ij. That means in the same position. So let's do the first one, A plus B. So A plus B means we're adding these two from up here, okay? And we're going to add them in their position. So we're going to add negative 5 plus 3, 2 plus negative 1, 1 plus 5, 4 plus 15, 0 plus 2. And we add them right where they are, okay? So in the same position where they are, that's where we add them. So each of these is a 2 by 3. That means our answer will be a 2 by 3. Okay, so we're adding negative 5 plus 3. That's the first element there. 2 plus negative 1. 2 plus negative 1. And then 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. Okay. In the second row, 4 plus 15. 0 plus 2. And negative 3 plus negative 7. Okay, and then we're just going to simplify. So this will be negative 2, a 1, a 6. And in the second row, 19, 2, and negative 10. Okay, and we'll leave the next example for class. All right, and finally, multiplying by a scalar, so which is a single real number. All right, so to multiply by a scalar k, when we multiply a matrix by k, we multiply each element by k. Okay, so let us try negative 3 times b. So negative 3 times b, remember b is this one up here, right? So we're just going to multiply each of those times negative 3. Okay, so negative 3 times 3. Notice I leave it in the same position. Okay, negative 1 times negative 3, or negative 3 times negative 1, and then negative 3 times 5. Okay, notice I'm pointing at it up here with my finger. Okay, negative 3 times 15, that's in the second row. Negative 3 times 2, and negative 3 times negative 7. Again, remember it was negative 3 times b, and b is that matrix. You multiply each element times negative 3. All right, and we're just going to simplify that. This will be negative 9, 3, negative 15, and in the second row, negative 45. I'm just multiplying. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, and positive 21, and that's our answer right there. All right, that'll be the end of this section. We'll leave the other example for class. All right, that's section 6.5. That's all we're covering from this section.